Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce noise in RawTherapee. So let's get straight into it. Now, um, you will see here at the right side these processing profiles. So right here, we have a bunch of options to edit, manipulate the photo. So where to find noise reduction option? So it's pretty simple. Right here, we are now in the exposure tab. If we go one further, detail tab, so shortcut is Alt D, click on it and then just search for noise reduction, just like that, and you will see here a bunch of options for noise reduction. So color space, we have here LAB and RGB, so I will put it into the RGB mode. We have conservative, aggressive, for lightness, gamma, we can adjust gamma, luminance, we have curved slider, luminance, detail recovery, then we have chrominance. So this one handles the colors splotches, so setting this to automatic usually removes most color noise effectively without further tweaking. Then under the luminance, let's say the low value can be 20, something like that, and then we have detail recovery, let's say around 50. It's some kind of perfect. So luminance handles the grain in your photo. What we have then, we have medium filter if we want that. We can also use here the chrominance curve, linear equalizer, so we can move that up and down and adjust the chrominance right over here on this graph. And then we have medium filter. This is useful for removing tiny sharp artifacts that remain after the main noise reduction process. And that's basically pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.